Good morning, students. Now, this is the time of Corona pandemic. You have to prepare yourself for the academics. There are so many online classes are going on through YouTube, through variety TV channels. But how to utilize this time and how to develop a real standard of learning inside yourself. I'm going to tell you some points. Just try to understand this point and utilize your time to develop this thing. One is knowledge. If you will listen whatever taught today, that will be knowledge for tomorrow. If you will forget, if you will not involve yourself in the studies, after 2 days, after 3 days, or after 1 week, you may forget whatever you have learned. Just like now, if somebody will ask questions, what is 2 into 5, you can tell very easily, that is 10. But if somebody will ask, what is 23 into 6, you cannot tell. Why? Because you have ever used 23 into 5 after studying standard 2 or standard 3. But during standard 1 or 2, when the teachers were forcing you to remember all the multiplication table, at that time, you might have remembered all the table up to 25. But now you cannot tell because you have no practice, because you have lost, just like iron rust as the time passes. That is why you have to attend the online classes regularly to acquire knowledge. Now, if you have knowledge, you can understand whatever taught to you. Unless you have knowledge, you can't understand. And once you understand the things, now you have to apply your understanding through numericals, through variety of situations. Suppose you have learned mathematics, you got some formula. Now you apply those formula in variety of numericals. If you have learned science, you apply the formula taught in your science classes in variety of numericals, variety of situations. Because you are free, now your mind can think anything you want. And you think where the application of this formula are there. Whether I can apply this formula in our day-to-day life or not. Just like Newton thought, why apple fell down from the tree? Then only he discovered about gravitation. But before that, his father, his mother, his grandfather, everybody were eating apple. But only Newton who thought why apple fell down from that tree. Hence you apply whatever you learned. Hence, if a teacher taught you one formula, you apply those formula in 2 or 3 numericals or 4 and 5 numericals, you apply yourself, you are free to do so. And if you have any doubt, you can ask on the online, and so many helping hands are there on internet. Then fourth is the most important thing, why to apply? Once you apply, you will create interest in yourself. You will create interest for studies, in your studies. And once you have developed interest in your studies, your mind will not get diverted to anything else. Because utilization of this time is very important. Then after interest, just you think of skill. Now try to develop certain skill for your studies. The skill I can classify into 4 categories. One is observation skill. When you have knowledge, you are understanding, you are now going to apply because you want to develop interest. That is why you have open your exercise. When you have read one numerical, one problem, in science or in mathematics or in physics, in chemistry or in English or in history, whenever somebody asks the question, try to observe what is given in that question. Somebody put some question. You try to find out what is there inside the question. After observation, if you have developed your observation skill, you can solve the things very easily. That's why teachers are telling, just whenever you are getting a numerical, first you go through the question and whatever data given, you write it. That data given when you can find out is known as observation. Then after observation, try to develop a drawing skill. This skill has to be developed. Now it is the time to practice more and more to develop things. Now drawing skill. How to draw a rough diagram. How to draw a triangle. Before construction, you have to draw a rough diagram. Then after drawing skill, you should know what is, how to manipulate the data. Manipulation skill also you have to develop, because after getting all the data, you have to manipulate to get the answer. How to get the answer? Whether I will multiply, I will subtract, I will divide, or like this. Now you have to develop a manipulation skill. After having all these, you should know how to write the answer. The writing the answer is nothing but a reporting skill. Now these 4 skills are to be developed if you want to get success in your examination. Now after these five are the major important points for a student. After that, 2 supplementary points are there. One is attitude, and 7th one is respect. Now these 2 are getting affected because of the situation of time. Maybe you are in this modern world and all are at the peak teen age. Those are in standard 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this age, you are in the teenage. Teen, try to understand, I am writing a wrong spelling for the teen, that is T-I-N, where it creates more sound. When somebody will heat a little, you will give more reaction. When your parents are telling something, you do this one, then you are giving more reaction. When your teacher is telling something, you are giving more reaction, because you are in teen age, 13, 14, 15, up to 19. Now teen age, that is why this attitude and respect gets affected inside your mind. Now if you want to give respect, or if you don't give respect to your subject, to your studies, to the good advices given by your elders or teachers or your even good friends, then if you are not giving respect, you cannot develop attitude. You might be getting certain information, calculation. Attitude makes 100. Now suppose you imagine, no, I will not develop positive attitude, I will not develop respect to my student, my teachers, my elders, my subject. Even you have to give respect to all the subjects. Sometimes students are thinking, I don't like SST, I don't like Hindi, I like science very much. There are some students, they are telling, I like Hindi, I like SST, but I had mathematics. But that should not be there, because you have to appear all the papers in your examination. Hence, respect must be there. If you are not giving respect, whatever information is coming from that particular person, from that particular teacher, from that particular subject, you will not develop proper attitude. Now, if you will not develop these 2, you cannot listen to the class, you cannot listen to the teacher. That means you cannot acquire knowledge in that particular subject or anything else. Now, if you cannot develop knowledge in that particular subject or in that particular class, in the next class, you cannot understand. When you can't understand, you cannot apply. When you cannot apply, you cannot develop interest inside yourself for studies or for anything, any work in your life. Now, once you have not having interest in your life or action, you cannot develop skill. Though these 5 points are very much important, just like Pandavas for dharma, these 2 are also supplementary things. Those are affecting your all these Pandavas in your mind. Hence, my dear students, try to develop positive attitude and respect to everything that is beneficial for your life making process. If you cannot develop these 2, this will be getting affected. Because remember, why we are studying, why we are working hard? only to get happiness in our life. What is happiness? A short-term happiness cannot give us happiness throughout life. Suppose I want biryani. Biryani can give me happiness only for 5 minutes or during eating. After eating, full in my tummy, when the biryani is filled, my tummy, after that if somebody will give class 1 biryani, best biryani, Hyderabad biryani, at that time biryani will never give me happiness. But once you have knowledge, once you have acquired knowledge, once you have career, proper career, then you can show this in throughout your life wherever you will go for attending interview. All the best. Use this corona pandemic time to develop yourself about the attitude, respect, and let us build a better career for your future. Thank you.